Imagine waking up tomorrow with the peace of mind knowing you're on the path to financial independence. Too good to be true? Well, I assure you, it's more real than you think. Today, I'll reveal the secrets of the money code that the wealthy have been guarding closely. If you stay with me until the end, I promise you'll not only understand these principles, but also know how to apply them in your life to start generating wealth. Let's get started. 1. The millionaire mindset. Let's start by busting a myth. You don't need to be a genius to get rich. What you need is to think like the rich. Wealth begins in the mind. Millionaires see money as a tool, not a final goal. They invest in their education and personal development because they know their intellectual and emotional growth will yield the highest return. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to reading books on finance, personal development, or biographies of successful people. It's an investment in your mind that will pay great dividends. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, spends 80% of his time reading. His vast wealth is no accident. It's the result of years of learning and application. 2. Multiple streams of income. Financial security doesn't come from a single income. Relying solely on your salary is like playing Russian roulette with your future. Having multiple sources of income protects you from economic fluctuations and allows you to take advantage of various opportunities. Start a side business, invest in real estate, or explore freelancing. Even small amounts of extra money can add up quickly. Jeff Bezos started Amazon in his garage as an online bookstore. Today, Amazon generates income from multiple sources, from retail sales to cloud services. Diversification was key to his success. 3. Saving is for losers. No, I'm not crazy. Stashing your money in a low-interest savings account is a losing strategy. The real magic is in investing. Money kept in the bank loses value with inflation. In contrast, investing can make it grow exponentially. Invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even startups. Use apps like Robinhood or eToro to start with small amounts and learn on the go. If you had invested $1,000 in Amazon in 1997, today you'd have around $1.3 million. Imagine the opportunities you're missing by leaving your money in the bank. 4. Live below your means. This may sound boring, but it's vital. Don't buy things you don't need to impress people you don't care about. The rich buy assets, not liabilities. A luxury car or a mansion may look attractive, but they're just expenses. Assets, on the other hand, are investments that generate income. Before making a big purchase, ask yourself if you really need it or if that money could be better invested. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, drives a modest car and lives in a simple house. His wealth comes from his investments, not from ostentatious spending. 5. Use the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Compound interest can make your money work for you exponentially. Compound interest allows you to earn interest on your interest, making your money grow exponentially. Start investing as soon as possible. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. If you invest $200 a month at an annual interest rate of 7%, in 30 years you'll have over $200,000. Thanks, compound interest. 6. Learn to sell. Sales are a crucial skill, no matter your profession. Knowing how to sell opens up countless opportunities. Sales aren't just about products, they're also about your ideas and skills. Being a good salesperson allows you to influence and persuade, opening doors that would otherwise remain closed. Take sales and communication courses. Practice your sales pitch whenever you can. Improve your negotiation and persuasion skills. Steve Jobs didn't just sell products, he sold a vision. His ability to communicate and sell made Apple one of the most valuable companies in the world. 7. Surround yourself with successful people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So choose wisely. Successful people inspire you, teach you, and open up opportunities. Spending time with negative or unambitious people drags you down. Join networking groups, attend conferences, and seek out mentors to guide you. Surrounding yourself with success will propel you toward your goals. Oprah Winfrey attributes much of her success to her circle of influential friends and mentors. Surround yourself with success, and you'll achieve it too. 8. Automate your finances. Automation isn't just for robots. Use technology to make your finances work effortlessly. Automating your savings and investments ensures you're always building wealth without constantly thinking about it. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Use personal finance apps to keep everything in order. I use an app that automatically rounds up my purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. It's a painless and easy way to save more. 9. Never stop learning. The world changes rapidly, and continuous education is essential. What made you rich today may not work tomorrow. Continuous education keeps you relevant and opens new opportunities. Adapting is key to long-term success. Dedicate time each week to learning something new. It could be an online course, a book, or even a podcast. Bill Gates, despite being one of the richest men in the world, still reads about 50 books a year. That's a winning strategy. 10. Create something of value. The rich don't just amass money, they create value. Whether it's a product, a service, or an idea, creating value is key. Money flows to those who solve problems and improve the lives of others. Creating something of value positions you as indispensable. Identify a problem and find an innovative way to solve it. The value you create will attract wealth. Elon Musk created Tesla to solve the problem of fossil fuel dependency. His innovation not only made him rich, but also positively impacted the world. If you apply these tricks in your life, you'll be on the path to wealth and financial independence. Remember, wealth doesn't come overnight, but with persistence and the right steps, it's attainable for everyone. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content that will help you achieve your financial goals. And before you go, make sure to watch the next video that will take you even further on your path to wealth.